Yo, hold up. Did you know there are AI tools out there right now that are straight up changing the game in the USA? And some of them could literally save you hours every single day. Yep, I'm talking life-changing stuff. And if you're not using these, you're basically leaving money, time, and brain power on the table. Stick around, because I'm about to show you 5 AI tools you have to try. All right, fam, before we dive in, let me set the scene. The tech world is moving faster than ever, and AI isn't just some nerdy sci-fi thing anymore. It's here, it's real, and it's straight up changing lives. From helping you crush work deadlines, to leveling up your creativity, to even making money online, AI's got you covered. Today, I'm breaking down 5 AI tools that are killing it in the USA. Tools that are not just hype, they're actually helping people get smarter, faster, and more productive. And trust me, once you see these, you're gonna wonder how you ever live without them. But before we dive in, I gotta ask, which AI tools are you already using? Drop it in the comments. I'm super curious to see who's ahead of the game. All right, first up, let's talk ChatGPT. You've probably heard the name a million times, but let me tell you why this thing is an absolute beast. Imagine having a buddy who knows literally everything, can draft emails, write scripts, create social media posts, and even help you with tricky homework problems. That's ChatGPT. I'm talking answers in seconds, ideas flowing like a waterfall, and the best part, it learns how you talk over time, so your prompts get smarter and smarter. I personally use this one for everything, from brainstorming YouTube ideas to writing scripts. Yeah, this very script, to even planning my week. It's basically a productivity hack in disguise. Here's a little tip. Don't just use it for generic stuff. Ask it specific, detailed prompts and watch it spit out gold. For example, instead of write a blog post, try write a 1,000-word blog post about the benefits of AI and small businesses. Include 3 examples from the USA. See the difference? Game changer. Next up, we got Jasper AI. Now, if you're a creator, blogger, YouTuber, marketer, this tool is straight fire. Think of it as ChatGPT's cooler, marketing-savvy cousin. Jasper can write ads, social media posts, YouTube descriptions, even full-on books. And the sick part, it sounds human. Like actual human. No more robotic AI vibes. You just give it the topic, tone, and style, and boom, it's done. Here's why people in the USA are loving it. It literally cuts your content creation time in half. Imagine getting that 3-hour blog post done in 30 minutes. That's literally hours back in your day. Pro tip, combine Jasper with Grammarly and your content comes out polished AF. I swear, once you start using it, you'll wonder why you ever typed a single word yourself. All right, now let's get visual. Video editing used to be this long, painful grind, spending hours on cuts, transitions, effects, pure torture. But now, AI is flipping the script. Enter Runway ML. This tool is crazy. It can remove backgrounds, create special effects, even edit entire clips with text prompts. You just say what you want, like make this part cinematic or remove background, and it does it. It's like Photoshop, but for videos and for people who barely know what a timeline is. For creators in the USA, this means faster content, more polished videos, and honestly, less stress. Imagine dropping your raw clips in, typing a few commands, and getting a video ready for YouTube in minutes. Mind blown, right? All right, next up, we got Otter.ai. Ever left a meeting and thought, man, I don't even remember half of what was said? Yeah, we've all been there. Enter Otter.ai. This tool transcribes meetings, interviews, podcasts, basically anything you speak. And it doesn't just spit out boring text. It organizes it, highlights key points, and even lets you search through your transcripts. People in offices all over the USA are using this to save hours per week. No more frantic note-taking or replaying Zoom calls. Otter's got your back. My favorite hack? Record brainstorming sessions and let Otter pull the gems. You'll be amazed at what you miss live. All right, last but not least, we're switching gears. Mental health and human connection are huge, and that's where Replika comes in. This is an AI you can actually talk to, vent to, even role play with. Sounds wild, but hear me out. It's helping people in the USA deal with stress, practice social skills, or just have someone to talk to when life gets rough. I know it sounds like sci-fi, but trust me, the tech is good. It's more than just a chatbot. It learns your personality, remembers your conversations, and gets better over time. Some people even use it to help with journaling or reflecting on their day. This tool isn't about replacing humans. It's about supplementing your mental toolkit, giving you another layer of support. And honestly, that's pretty revolutionary. All right, quick pause. Before we hit the golden nugget, I want to know, which of these AI tools blew your mind the most? Comment below. And if you're already using any of these, share your experience. I love seeing how people are using AI in real life. Also, smash that like button if you're all about working smarter, not harder. Trust me, your future self will thank you. All right, here's the kicker. These 5 tools are just the tip of the iceberg. AI is growing so fast that what's cutting edge today could be obsolete tomorrow. But the real golden nugget? It's not just about using AI. It's about leveraging AI to multiply yourself. Imagine having hours back every week, better content, more income opportunities, and even mental support. That's not sci-fi anymore. That's your life if you embrace this tech now. And here's the secret sauce. Don't wait to be perfect at it. Dive in, experiment, and learn by doing. The people who dominate the AI game in the next 5 years are the ones starting today. All right, fam, that's a wrap. We just covered 5 AI tools that are straight up changing life in the USA. ChatGPT, Jasper, Runway ML, Otter.ai, and Replika. If you got value from this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that could literally change your life. And remember, AI isn't about replacing you, it's about amplifying you. Start small, pick one tool, and watch how fast things change. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.